And because of this, I got approached by a group of people whose main aim was to destroy Islam. They wanted me to go to the university that they had chosen, where I would study Quran and Hadith and basically learn how to play with the Quran and the Hadith. They wanted to put me in the American embassy in Egypt. When I graduated, I was supposed to study international relations, international law, and then, work with the embassies. And they had people set up everywhere, all over the world. They wanted me to work with women's rights and basically take women away from Islam, try to destroy the Muslim families through the women. And this appealed to me. In order to learn about Islam, to destroy it, I had to learn what the real Islam was. I sat with a group of scholars who were primarily Jewish, and they taught me Quran, they taught me Hadith, and they taught me how to play with the Quran and the Hadith to try to take women away from Islam using women's rights. The thing is, when you study Islam and you actually have in your heart the intention that you want to know the truth comes to you. And I fell in love with the Quran. And by falling in love with the Quran, I fell in love with Islam. Alhamdulillah, because of this, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, after 3 years of intensive studying, led me to al-Islam. And alhamdulillah, today I'm a Muslim as a result. And I am very grateful to Allah for this. I'd have to say my story is a story of plans. I planned, people that I was with planned, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala planned.
दीन की बात फैलाना सदक़े जारिया है। सवाब की नीयत से वीडियो को शेयर जरूर कीजिए। जज़ाकल्लाह।